Okay, that video left off with talking about peer review for Essay 2. And what I was saying is you did a really nice job peer reviewing Essay 1. And Essay 2 will be a very similar process, other than the fact I'm not assigning you any essays. You can choose any 2 essays you want to review. Just make sure that, especially if you're doing it later on in the week, we're not all reviewing the same essays. We want everyone to at least get 1 peer review, if not 2, hopefully. So if you're finding that someone's been reviewed already once or twice, review somebody else. But I would like everyone to ideally get 2 peer reviews each. If not, then 1 is sufficient. But make sure we're peer reviewing, we're spreading the wealth. My comments will post exactly how they did last time. All of your comments will be in a document posted to the discussion board. And if you just click on review, show comments, you'll see all of my comments from when you do your revision. Revisions will be due as part of next week. So you don't have to worry about that yet. You just have to do your peer review and your research exercise for this week. So we'll work on revisions for Essay 2 next week. But we're, as I said before in my other announcement, we're beginning to think about Essay 3, which is the cause and effect. It's what happens if side 1 gets what they want, what happens if side 2 gets what they want. And if you start to look, I gave you a quick outline for the rest of the semester. We're kind of, like I said, in this cycle of research, drafting, and revising essays. So we'll work on revision of Essay 2 next week. We'll draft Essay 3 the week after that. We'll start some of the research for Essay 4 as we're drafting Essay 3. And then by the time we've drafted Essay 4, by week 12 or so, module 12 or so, we're going to have your entire research essay. And the last 3 weeks of class is about seeing what information we're missing from that, seeing how all those pieces work together, and creating the final research paper, which is a culmination of all of those Essay 1 through 4. So by the time we hit week 12, you've done the bulk of the work for this class, which is great. We'll continue to do some short reading assignments that will help you as you put together your big research paper. But by week 12, you should feel I have all the elements I need to create my final research project, which is the culminating project of the class. You will turn in your 10 to 12 page research essay that you've been working on all along. So it's good. And you'll know a whole lot about your topic, hopefully, by the time this class is over. So I'm going to wrap it up there. I've said a lot at this point. You guys are doing a really good job on your research exercises. If you're getting anywhere between 21 and 25 points on those, you're really staying above the mark on the research exercises. And the way you do that is that you're answering all of the questions I'm asking. You're doing your best to navigate the database, show me results that you found articles, that this is what you learned from the articles, here are additional sources you can use. The research exercise is all about getting you ready to making sure you have the information in order to write the essay. And if you look back at those research exercises before you write your essay, you're going to find you have plenty of sources to use. So they should go hand in hand. Your research exercise and your essay should go hand in hand when you're writing. So just don't forget about them, because you're doing excellent work on research exercises in this class. So you should feel good. All right, so I look forward to talking to you all during midterm conferences. I'll check in with you later this week, but I hope that gives you enough to get started, and send me all the questions you have. Email, call, make sure you show up, or call during your midterm conferences. Okay, have a great week. Bye.